lang masabi ngayon kasi I told them I'll treat that as an executive session because ongoing pa yung investigation. But definitely mabigat yung angulo ng money laundering. And we'll request AMLAC to present their findings kung kaya na next Tuesday o kung ano pang pwede nilang i-present. But definitely yung angulo ng money laundering mabigat yun. No? At I hope that AMLAC can already present some of their preliminary findings on sa hearing. No? But yung angulo na yan should be pursued. Dahil ang kinakatakutan ko, pag itong money laundering hindi natin mapipigil, pumapasok ang pera na hindi natin alam saan nanggagaling. At nagagamit yan sa politika, nagagamit yan sa iba pang hindi tamang bagay dahil hindi mo alam saan source hindi mo rin alam saan ang paggastos, no? At kaya if you look at the financial statements, talagang wala kang makikita doon pero makikita mo naman sa lifestyle ni Guo Huaping. Nakikita mo naman yung kanyang campaign, no? Nasa social media yun, hindi ordinaryong kampanya yun, no? Yung bumababa ka sa helicopter, hindi ordinaryo yun, no? So definitely may pinagkukunan silang pera.
And then, Nympha,